Hi everyone, Bridget here. Let's make our very famous Anglo-Indian coconut rice today. So first of all, you need to add half a cup of oil and ghee mixed together in your pot. Okay, then you add half a bay leaf or a single bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon, a few cloves and a few cardamoms. Okay, then you add half a bay leaf or a single bay leaf, 2 pieces of cinnamon, a few cloves and a few cardamoms. Now add your rice, which is like 1 measure of rice, Basmati rice. A pinch of turmeric and 1.5 measures of coconut milk, which you could dilute. Coconut milk shouldn't be too thick. Okay, mix well and then add salt to taste. So cook on medium heat till it starts bubbling. Then reduce your heat to simmer, close and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes till your rice is done. So if you like this video and the other videos on my YouTube channel, please like and share and also press the notification button. So enjoy your coconut rice with ball curry or with any other curry of your choice. Goes well with pork vindaloo as well. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.